class. Good morning. So class, this is the video class of English, and today you have to take out your big book of English, that is literacy book, and in that you have to take out page number 36. On page number 36 there is a picture reading, and the question is, write the correct word below each picture. You have to write the correct word below each picture. Okay, and you have to write the words correctly and beautifully in a good handwriting. Okay, so let us see the words first. Let us do it orally. Thereafter we will write. Okay, all the words are given here in the box. Okay, so here the boy is sitting, so you have to write sit. Here it is a bin, but the arrow is marked here. That means you have to write one word for this one, and this is a lid. Here the baby, it is the baby, and we can call him a kid. K-I-D, kid. Now next one, what is this? This is a pen. This picture, what will you call this picture? This is a bib. It is used for small child. It is a kind of hanky which is hung in the neck. What is this? This is lip. Lip. And what is this? This is a bin. B in bin. And the last picture, this is a pig. Okay. Now, one by one, we will go. We will choose the word from here itself, and then we will write it into the further pictures. And this is bib. B-I-B, bib. Bib. Now we will write it. B-I-B. Bib. Now next word is B in bin. Where is the bin? Here it is. B-I-N. Bin. Now next is pig. Where is the pig? This is the pig. Pig. Next is kid. Where is the kid? The kid is here. Kid. Now next, lip. Where is the lip? Here it is lip. This is upper lip. This is lower lip. So write lip. Now next, lid. Lid. Here. It is here. See? This is the bin and this is the lid of the bin. So, lid. Now next is P in pen. Where is the pen? This is the pen. Pin. Next is sit. And here, as we can say, the boy is sitting. So here we can write sit. sit. So here we have done this page number 36. Now we are going to do page number 37. And in 37, you have to read the word and you have to match the word with the pictures. So the first one is B in bin. This is the bin. Next is lid. Here is the lid. Bib. This is the bib. Fig. Fig. Here is the fig. Lip. Here is the lip. Pig. Here is the pig. Pin. Here is the pin. And the last one, tin. Here is the tin, and here I have done mistake. This is not a bin. This can be the bin, but you will match it to here. This is not the line. Okay. So students, this was your class today. We'll meet in the live class tomorrow. Okay. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.